Good morning. Now let's go on my computer to see what news we had today. Who is it? Oh, it's you.
It's me, Ruby. Today's 5th grade camp, remember?
Oh, let me take off this thing. Okay.
I'm already packed up. Mom, Dad, wake up. Yes, honey. Okay. Whatever.
Why is this thing so hard to get off?
I'm ripping it.
It's gonna be a mess.
I love you, Mom. I love you, Daddy.
Ouch! Oh, so bad.
Now I gotta go to school to have today's 5th grade camp. Okay. You should walk with your friend. No, I'm taking my scooter. Maybe she can hop on. Yeah, I think that's a good idea. Okay. Bye, Mom. Bye, Dad.